Hi, my name is Elizabeth Gordon, and today we're going to talk about connecting your LI-550 flat mount to your LI-550 USB. So you're going to need three things for this. You will obviously need your LI-550, which, as you can see, has these wires coming out of it, just bare leads. You'll need your USB box, and you will need a connector cable. This is a very straightforward process, so let's talk about how it works. Okay, so here you see my wire colors. So there are 4 of them, and the black especially does not show up very well, so I want to make sure that you can see it. We have yellow, green, red, and black here, and they're going to go into the 550 USB box in a very specific order. So to get into the LI-550 box, what we're going to do is you can see that we have a little spot here that we're going to squeeze. We're going to squeeze it, pop it open, and my USB and power, you see, are on this side, but my wire connection is on this side. So I'm just going to turn it around. Then I'm going to take my yellow wire, which is my first wire. That's my power wire. And I'm going to use this little terminal block, and I just press down on this little orange button. And what that does is allows the wire to go into the terminal block. So again, I'm going to do it for the green. And you can kind of tell when it's in there because it kind of clicks into place. You can kind of feel it. And then red, felt that one click into place. And then black is our ground, as it is in many situations. And there we go. So I've got all 4 of them in, and I gently tug on them to make sure that they're solid. They are, so I'm just going to gather it like this. And then I'm going to click that into place. And then if I want to connect it to my computer, I'm going to use a standard USB-C cable. So we just connect that here. And then on the other side is a USB-A connector. And now I'm ready to configure my instrument with my computer. So as you can see, connecting your LI-550 to your 550 USB box is very straightforward. There are a couple of things to keep in mind though. This is not a weather-resistant box. You can see that there are holes on both sides of it. And so this is not designed for long-term deployment. However, for troubleshooting, data checking, configuration, things like that, that's what it would be used for. For actual logging and recording of your data from the instrument long-term, you will want to have a more suitable data logger. And instructions on what you would want to look for that are in the manual. If you have any questions, problems, or concerns, just let us know. We'll be happy to help.